हेलो गाइस, हेलो एवरीवन। कैसे हो आप सब लोग? आई होप ऑल आर डूइंग वेल एंड फाइन. So guys, I welcome you back to our next video of IOChem 2022 solutions. So today guys, we are going to see the seventh question of IOChem 2022. All right. So it's a mix, kind of a small mix of number theory and combinatorics, but yes, more of combinatorics, right? So guys, let's dive into the question. I hope आप सबने try कर लिया होगा पहले एक बार question at least. Okay, so if you're watching these videos just without solving the question guys, then it will be of no use. I do recommend guys, just try to solve the question on your own first and then look at the solution. Okay, then watch the solution. Otherwise guys, आपको इतना फायदा नहीं होगा. It will just be like fake confidence. If you think in the last days just by watching the solutions of the previous year questions it will help you, I'm sorry to say guys, it will not help you at all, like in that sense. तो गाइज पहले प्लीज अपना अपना क्वेश्चन ट्राई करो अच्छे से, पेपर को खुद अटेम्प्ट करो अच्छे से, and then only watch the solutions. Yes, you will find something new. Even if आपका हो गया guys, even then you can go on to watch the solution, because that will help you find some new perspective maybe question के बारे में, है ना. So that is the actual purpose of these videos. तो अगर आप इस तरह से देखोगे तो आपको एक्चुअली में बेनिफिट देगा. अदरवाइज इट्स ऑफ नो यूज अगर आप गाइस सिर्फ वीडियोस देखते जाओगे. ओके, दैट इज माय ओनली सजेशन. Okay guys, let's dive into the question. Let's see. All right guys, so what does it say? Find the number of ordered pairs a comma b, a and b, such that a and b belongs to the set of 11 to 10 to 30, 10 से लेके 30 तक के numbers हैं उनके अंदर, and the condition that they follow is this one. This is the important thing that they follow. Okay, so we have to work around this. So guys, let's say अगर दो numbers हैं a और b, let's say their GCD is given by g. So how do we represent this equation? So guys, let's say GCD of AB is given by G, right? Plus, then how do we write the LCM? Guys, everybody knows, you guys must know this property, that GCD of two numbers into LCM of the two numbers, उनका product जो होता है, that is equal to AB, right? That is GCD of AB into LCM of AB is equal to the product of the numbers, right? So using this condition guys, what can I substitute the LCM as? LCM को हम लिख सकते हैं AB divided by G, right? If I just want to keep one unknown variable है G, right? So G plus, तो LCM का value क्या होगा? A into B by G, and that is equal to A plus B. So guys, let's rearrange by multiplying this whole equation by G. So guys, what we'll get? G square minus A plus B into G. इसको आप guys left side पे भी ले जाओगे, है ना? Plus AB plus A into B equal to 0. So guys, you'll see, आप क्या देख पा रहे हो यहाँ पे? It will get factorized, right? You can easily see this is exactly in the form of the quadratic equation, sum of roots and product of roots, है ना? So this quadratic, it means, is factorizable as G minus A into G minus B equal to 0, right? तो बच्चों यहाँ पे G की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? So that means guys, G की वैल्यू या तो A है और B है. Basically the point being guys, जो A और B नंबर हैं, है ना, उनमें से एक नंबर दोनों नंबर्स का GCD ही होगा. What does it exactly mean guys? That means the second number is basically the product of the first number, some multiple of the first number only, है ना? Whatever one number is, दूसरा नंबर उसका multiple ही होगा, right? So now it makes our counting easier, है ना? Because GCD is one of the two numbers. So guys, let's start with this. तो because guys हमें ordered pairs बताने, तो ध्यान रखना जब भी दोनों numbers equal होंगे तो वो cases को ध्यान से count करना है, otherwise that could be a point of mistake, है ना? That could be the point जहां पे आप mistake कर दोगे, तो वो चीज का ध्यान रखना है. So let's start guys. Let's see. Let's say guys, if A is equal to 10, let's say, है ना? Let's say A is equal to 10. What kind of pairs can we form? Okay, एक काम करते हैं guys, you can count it by starting for A as well, or you can start with G value. हमें G की वैल्यू क्या ले सकते हैं? देखो, G की वैल्यू या तो A है या B है, right? So let's say if G value is 10, you can say counting by this thing only, that if G value is 10 guys, what are the various numbers or pairs that can be formed? देखो, इसका मतलब एक अगर 10 है तो दूसरा भी 10 हो सकता है. It could be 10-10 or it could be 10-20 and their reverse order as well. तो meaning 20-10 भी हो सकता है, इनका GCD 10 आएगा. है ना? Because guys see, if the GCD is 10, that means basically what does it mean? That at least one of the number is 10. ये बात तो पक्की हो गई ना, और दूसरा उसका मल्टीपल ही होना पड़ेगा. And similarly, if one is 10, the other one would be 30 and 10, right? So we have counted here how many cases are these? 5. We get 5 pairs. Now guys, when we take G equal to 11, what happens is the cases reduce, because 30 तक नहीं जा पाओगे आप, only second multiple of 11. So guys, सब में 11, तो आएगा ही, जो नंबर है वो तो आएगा ही. Then 11, 22 and 22, 11, right? So how many pairs are these? 3, right? It gives you 3 pairs, ordered pairs. So guys, now just like G equal to 11 के लिए किया हमने, ये कब तक चल पाएगा? This pattern will follow till G equal to 15, right? Because guys 15 के बाद देखो क्या होगा. First is 15, then 15, 30 and 30, 15. Why it is happening? Why I'm going till 15 only guys? Next term जब 16 आएगा ना, उसका सेकंड मल्टीपल एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करेगा. 32 तो है ही नहीं आपके सेट के अंदर, है ना? Those values it cannot take. So this ordered pairs, 3 ordered pairs का जो केस है guys, ऐसे कितने आएंगे? All these cases. How many are these? 11 से 15, 5 cases. So these add up to 3 into 5. So these are 15 values, right? 15 ordered pairs overall. Now guys, similarly, see for G equal to 16, you'll observe guys, only one case will be there, 16, 16. A comma B will be 16, 16. 16, 32 नहीं हो सकता है ना? So understand this thing, for G to equal to 16 से लेके guys G equal to 30 तक, we'll have one ordered pair each. There'll be only one ordered pair, right? So guys, all these cases, because this is one, this is just one ordered pair. So how many cases are these? Another 15 cases, right? These are 15 cases, or you can say 15 ordered pairs, right? So how much is the total? Let's add them. 5 plus 15 plus 15. Total is 5 plus 15 plus 15. That is 35. Right? So that's it guys. That's the final answer. आपका total number of ordered pairs इस question में कितना आएगा जो हमारे पास बन रहे हैं? That is 35. So 35 ordered pairs are there जिसके लिए कि equation satisfy होगा. So I hope guys you understood the concept, because it is of ordered pairs, है ना? तो G अगर आपने 10 से शुरू किया, because G was equal to A और B, मतलब एक नंबर तो आपका G के इक्वल होगा ही कम से कम, है ना? मतलब GCD तो आपका दोनों नंबर में से एक नंबर के इक्वल ही है. It only means the other number has to be the multiple of the first, और one number basically. ठीक है ना? तो GCD वो वाला नंबर हो जाएगा. I hope guys you guys understood this question and like the way of explaining. Okay, so if you do like this guys, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, and it will be greatly appreciated guys अगर आप अपने friends और relatives को, if anyone is preparing for Maths Olympiad, aware, make them aware also if they're not aware already, and do recommend our channel to them to get started with Maths Olympiad. All right guys, so that's it guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and all the best. Okay, bye bye, take care.